pretty glitter. These are my 4 best pro tips to get into a deeper meditative state. My experience, 20 years of meditating and teaching meditation for years in private practice. Let's go. Tip 1 is a focus loving attention on the meditation. You don't have to be over the moon about it. We're meditating today? Oh my God. Oh my God. If you resist the act of meditating itself, it won't get you anywhere. So, loving attention. Pro tip number 2. You can follow your feelings, not your thoughts. So you're in a meditation and an emotion of sadness arises or a tingling feeling in your body. It's okay to stop the guided meditation you're going through or doing the meditation you had planned on doing, and instead of that, focus on that feeling that arises. The goal of meditation is not meditation itself. It's improving the relationship you have with yourself, and from there on out spring all the other relationships you have. So when your subconscious keeps pulling up a certain feeling, it's handing you your issues on a silver platter. So take advantage of that. A question that is asked over and over again is, what is the difference between feelings and thoughts? Now this sounds like a silly question, but it really isn't. When you get deeper and deeper into yourself, you start noticing how close the two are really together. And that's when the questions arise. So if you want me to do a video about that, please let me know in the comments. Write feelings versus thoughts. Pro tip number 3. Do not play the blame game. When you get distracted in a meditation, don't start blaming yourself. When you focus on loving attention, there's tip number 1 again. Focus loving attention on the meditation, because that will shift your heart chakra immediately from blame to love. And that means you will snap out of the blame game immediately. Additional reasons why you shouldn't blame yourself are: nobody is able to focus all the time, period. Even after 20 years of meditating, the best of us get distracted. Yes, I call myself the best. When diving into a new skill, you won't master it the first few times, but you'll make progress every time. Now, if you're that set on blaming yourself, you can do a separate meditation where you focus loving attention on the blame you've put on yourself over the years. And that's exactly the mantra you can use. I experience the blame I've put on myself over the years. And if you feel that doesn't quite capture it, you can use I experience my guilt. Now, this is a typical peel the onion exercise and subject matter, so give it time. Pro tip number 4, do not force anything. For example, when you're doing a guided meditation and that meditation is guiding you alongside a country road, and instead of the roads continuing like the meditation states, the road in your imagination ends. Now, don't force a road where there is none, and don't resist the road not being there. Just say, okay, I have no more road, and pay attention to the surroundings in your meditation. What is going on? Now, at the end of the meditation, you can look up the symbolic nature of your surroundings and the ending of the road in a dream dictionary. This is actually a very interesting look into your subconscious, so take advantage of it. A video about the symbolic nature of water in dreams is in the works, so if you don't want to miss this, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like or a share on your other social media platforms. and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!